Hi. So today I'm going to talk about the power of our subconscious mind. So in our lives, whatever events are happening or whatever is going on, 95% of that is particularly whatever we have developed in our subconscious mind. Okay, now what is subconscious mind? See, I'll tell you, we have two types of mind. Okay, one is conscious mind and other is subconscious mind. Okay, whatever decisions we are taking in our lives, okay, like when we are aware of whatever things are going on, okay, and we are taking the decisions, so that is what we are doing consciously. Okay, that is conscious mind. And whatever our beliefs are, whatever we believe about things, like if we feel something is difficult, okay, or I do not have money, or these type of thinking which have created a belief which has become our belief system, that is because of our subconscious mind. Because we generally keep on thinking something, and slowly and gradually that thing becomes our belief, and that gets registered in our belief system, right? So whenever anything related to that comes in front of us, what we do is those things will just turn on, and we start thinking according to the belief which we have already generated in ourselves. Okay, I'll just give an example to it. Okay, just imagine you go to a mall, okay, and there you want to purchase something, and you are just not able to buy because you don't have money. Okay, so from that time, at that moment, instead of thinking how you can afford it, if you keep on thinking I do not have this, I can't buy this, why? Because I do not have money. And then what you start doing, you start becoming negative about that, and you start thinking, why I don't have money? Because I do not have any skill, I do not do anything, I am good for nothing. Okay, so this is something which starts from here, and slowly gradually it reaches somewhere we just don't get to know the idea of it, right? How we start thinking from here, and it's slowly and gradually, step by step reaches up to this place. Why? Because we have that belief system that something which I am not able to do is because of my less worthiness. Okay, so these are the things which I just want to say. If we create a belief system, that is our subconscious mind. Okay, and the best part is you can change the programming of your subconscious mind. Okay, like if you have a habit of waking up late, means you have a belief that waking up early is extremely difficult. That is what my belief is. Okay, and that is what I have registered that in my mind. So something which I have already registered in my mind, that this thing is difficult for me, I am not able to put 100% effort to that. Why? Because I have already made a thought that this thing is difficult for me. So this is something how we can change it. The best part is we are gonna change it, and we are gonna train our mind for that. The thing is, you just have to keep on telling your mind that it is easy to wake up early in the morning, and this universe is just gonna give you whatever you just keep on thinking. If you think you're not having enough money, then universe is just gonna understand it, that you do not have enough money, and you just gonna uh, be in the very same situation as you are in today. So you are giving a wrong message to universe. If you are giving this message to universe that you do not have money, you do not have anything to do, you do not have any skill, so this is what you are creating a belief, and you're delivering the same message to the universe, and in return you're also going to get the very same thing, because universe is something, it is not going to question you. Okay, it's not, because these are the vibrations. which we are living from ourselves, and it is reaching to the universe, and universe is just gonna give you whatever you feel you are. Okay, so we do not attract what we want, rather we attract what we are. Okay, subconscious mind is something which you just keep on thinking. Okay, and that is something which you are gonna attract. If you are not thinking right about someone, okay, that is a vibration which you are giving to that person through your thoughts, and that person is definitely going to understand or going to somehow get those vibrations. And these are the things of, because we also sometimes get conflicts in our relationships, because whatever we are thinking about someone, that reaches to the person, either it's good or right. So most important thing is that from today onwards, decide that you are going to change your life. How? By programming your subconscious mind. How you are going to program it? The best time to program your subconscious mind is in the morning when you wake up, and at night when you're going to sleep, because that is the time when your mind is that subconscious mind, it gets activated up to its most level. Okay, so this is the time when you are going to sleep, and like when you are going to sleep, that is the time you are going to tell yourself, you're going to tell your subconscious mind that you're good enough, you are abundant, you have everything you want. Okay, you're not supposed to say I don't want to you don't want to you don't you're not supposed to say I don't have anything, or blah blah blah, which is negative. You're not going to feel negative thoughts, because whatever you're going to feel, that is gonna record throughout the night, and when you in the morning you wake up, you are going to get the same thought. You might have experienced also this, that whatever while sleeping, whatever you think, in the morning when you will wake up, you will be getting the same thought. Why? Because that recording gets stored, and it keeps on like it keep that recording is always throughout the night, and when you wake up in the morning, you'll be getting the same thought. So make sure whatever you're thinking at night is very 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 positive about you. You're not going to complain to yourself, you're not going to feel, you're not make yourself feel bad. Okay, just feel good enough and feel lucky enough, and slowly and gradually your life is going to change. Whatever questions you have, you can ask me. I'm gonna make more and more videos on this to really, because it is something which really works for everyone, and I want all of you to change your life with this. Okay, because it really works. It really works, because we are the ones who are the creators of our life. Okay, whatever we are facing today, it's not because of anyone outsider, it's just because of whatever we have created in our belief system. Okay, and just we need to change our belief system. Okay, so I am going to make more and more videos, and if you have any query, keep on asking, I'll be answering all those. Bye bye.